Welcome to this video on how to transfer inventory between warehouses in QuickBooks Online. If you haven't set up multiple warehouses yet, please be sure to check out my previous video how to add multiple warehouses in QuickBooks Online. In this tutorial, we'll be transferring 10 units of product 2 from location 2 or warehouse 2 to location 1 or warehouse 1. The easiest way to do this is by using an inventory quantity adjustment. Here is how to do it step by step. First, click on New button in the upper left hand corner of QuickBooks Online. New, and then go to Inventory Quantity. Choose Inventory Quantity Adjustment under Other. Choose the date. Choose a product. We need to transfer from location 2. Right now we have 11 on hand. We need to transfer 10. Transfer it to location 1. Increase 10 units. Save and close. Check if it has been reflected already in the inventory report. Here we can see location 1, product 2. We have 22 units of product 2 in location 1. And we have 1 unit of product 2 in location 2. That means the adjustment or the transfer has been reflected already. And that's it. You have now successfully transferred your inventory from warehouse 2 to warehouse 1 using the inventory quantity adjustment feature. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Feel free to ask any questions or suggest topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.